Radar to real life reconciliation reveals some showers developing and then some very potent storms out of the west. I can see it here when you consult the real life. With storms approaching, everyone should be in a serious hurry to get out of town before the ground stop occurs. Delta 72 Heavy looking mighty nice. Oh god! Getting hit by the wind. Oh boy. Damn! Good god! Yeah! Yeah! Oh my god! Oh boy, look at it, kicking up all the dirt and shit. It's getting in my eyes and it hurts. Wow, look at all this. All the dirt getting kicked up over here. Oh, weird. It's like that African dust cloud that's supposed to be coming our way. Only Hartsfield dust. Whoa! Oh, adorable. Look at this guy. Oh man, that's sweet. That is sweet. It's the perfect place to be. Oh. That wind is brutal!
82 Heavy, several wind chill alerts as that gust front came through. Now we're showing a consistent 260 to 25, gusting to 3-1 on the wind. Not receiving any more wind chill alerts. Stops all around the airport now.
No, don't shut down.
I think that for Delta 82. So if you guys want to shut down, I'm guessing it's going to be at least 10 or 15 minutes. Okay, we'll do that. Thank you.
Oh. Delta 82 Heavy is an A330 300. Oh, it's up superiorly quick. Or surprisingly quick, that's what I meant. As thunder rumbles in the distance, we know this is going to make a bank, an aggressive bank to
300 Heavy in November 13, cross runway 27 right.
Bank to 300 yet? Make that bank, baby! Bank it out! Nice takeoff spray, that's what I'm talking about. Always up quick. ETI is good like that. Brilliance. There we go. Gear coming up and climbing like a rocket ship. Boy, howdy. Into the spooky skies of Atlanta. Oh, yeah, look at that. Also up quick. Whew! Rotation spray and all. Oh, rocket ship rotation. Just like its other cargo brethren UTI. Yes. Very nice dynasty. Delta 3320 Heavy appears to be a 777. The 33 means it's cargo, in case all of you forgotten. I think it's a lure. It's got some fog hole. Yes! Oh yeah, flashing fog hole. The rain has brought about an end to all the heat, haze, and stank air. So we can get some very clear imagery. Oh my god, it's rolling long. Oh yeah. Yes! Oh god, that's brilliant. Man. Hurtling over Speedbird here. Wow! Nice! 777 lure! Man! Oh yes. Oh yes. Lovely fog hole. Don't mind the birds frolicking in the foreground. I'm just trying to have a good time. Virgin. Quick, relatively speaking, and brilliant, continuing the fog hole. Oh my god, yeah. Oh, it's a shame another work week starts tomorrow. Damn it. But if there's ever anything to take us out of a weekend in style, it is a Virgin. surprised we're not seeing any fog hole, but we do have a challenge that we're accepting. Nice. It does say challenge accepted, right? That's what it usually says. Yep, it does. Cal, whatever that means. Leaves Atlanta. We'll turn to heading 240. Any minute now. There it is. Turning beautifully. The cumulus backdrop. It's always a pleasure. Cumulus backdrop indeed. Oh, wowzers. Nice. Radar to real life reconciliation for the 5:35 p.m. hour on Monday, the 22nd of June. Storms are popping to my south and they are headed towards me. So one can make out I am the white dot with the red, or the red dot with the white perimeter, and these are the thunderstorms. Real life looks a little like this. Ooh. Ooh. Wow, what a good song. Hey, where are you going? Hey, he's my friend. This is a mockingbird. I'm going to assume it's a he.
72 heavy, sliding 290, running 27 right. Clear takeoff. 72 heavy, 290 on a heading clear for takeoff, 27 right.
Yeah, you better hurry. Here we go, Delta 72 heavy. What? Damn. Up quick. Up a lot quicker than I thought. Gonna have to bank to the north. Or rather, hey, he's Yana! Yeah! Awesome! Yeah! God damn! Gale force! Oh, my tripod, Mr. Time-Lapse! It blew over my heavy tripod! Probably killed Mr. Time-Lapse! Oh no, it's a go-around! Is it? No, it's not. Sorry. God. Oh my god, he's late. Come on, Oceana. Go around. Go around. Oh god, it's hardcore. Oceana's gonna make it. Oh man. Amazing how quickly it can go from sunny to rainy and stormy. That's how it is here in the southeast during the summertime, and I wouldn't have it any other way. Delta 73 heavy's getting close. I guess there's no go-around hopes. It's alright, it's still not a waste. Maybe we can get some thrust reverse spray. Oh, wing dip, dip it, and ground bound. Very good. Thrust reverse spray. There it is. Hello and welcome to Sahara Dust Sunset here at Hartsfield-Jackson, Atlanta International. What we have in front of us is a Frontiero Bear. Bear looks a little worn out on the leading edge of that vertical stabilizer. I don't know where it's going, but the important thing to notice here is the Saharan dust plume that exists a few thousand feet above our heads, and maybe even closer to ground level. A lot of haze. It could be the Saharan dust. I hope I'm not inhaling poison. Frontiero will take off in front of Hometown Airlines' magical TOC ramp, where you can see a C-40, I think, is sitting there after having been engine tested. Look at this into the Sahara dust. Wow. Here comes the Qataris and their cargo. This is fantastic. Fantastic fodder for Sahara dust sunset. So you like all the alliteration occurring in that sentence? I do. It's Friday. And Fridays were made for alliteration. Some throttle fluctuations or power fluctuations. And into that. Oh no, that looks like thick overcast. Shit. I hope this whole endeavor wasn't a waste of time, ladies and gentlemen. If it was, please pardon me. Meanwhile, here on the taxiway, for the departures on 26 left, we have the state of Louisiana, a wonderful state livery. If I'm not mistaken, it's the newest out of the Southwestern stable. A pelican feeding its young. Union, justice, confidence. I don't know about the justice part, but Louisiana has its own unique way of dealing with things. Wardrobe malfunction. And the Louisiana. Taking it to God knows where. Wonderful state livery. We'll hopefully penetrate some of this overcast and return the sun. I have about an hour before the official sunset, so there is still time.
Bravo 642, cutting pressure.
642.
This poor Mad Dog's going to be cannibalized, or not cannibalized, but just broken down there on the TOC ramp for the next couple of years, probably. Yeah, 767-300 Dubs, looking handsome. But more importantly is what is rolling up on the taxiway. C40!
Line 33 on that impasse, 26 left, let's take off. On that impasse, clear for takeoff 26 left, Avalon 33.
Yes.
Got 1189 at line 7, 26 left, line 48. On a 46 left,
And there it goes. That's a score and a half. I don't think I've ever scored that before. The sun is now completely blocked by the overcast. There is a weird yellowish orange glow. You could even call it that, I don't know. I hope all I don't walk away from here is a chalky taste in my mouth. Damn, this thing is rolling long as F. Look at it go. Oh, nice. Niceries. Well, at least we got the C40. That is a feather in our cap to be sure. Radar's real-life reconciliation reveals a very quick-moving thunderstorm, or series of thunderstorms, that is bearing down on us now. Real life looks a little something like this. Oh, is this a state livery? Oh yeah, I think it is. What a week. It's Maryland. Starting to hit us. Here it comes. I think we got a gust front upon us. Here's the beautiful backdrop zone. Oh, this is stellar. Superb. I am tripodless. I am a human tripod, and I'm being battered by the wind. There's the wind. Yeah, here it comes. Ooh, ow. Yeah. Go around, go around, go around, go around. We're getting hit by it. Oh man, I think it's going to be just in time. Look at this thing. Oh my god, it's Sahara dust? Is that what this brown color is? Sahara dust? Ow, it's hitting me in the face! Let's see if Southwest can get out of here. Yeah, we're going to want to bank real soon.
Wind shear alert, runway 26 left departure, 20 knot lost on the runway, threshold wind 330 at 22.
Damn. Outside, what the hell is this? Is this a 777? No, it's a wait, what is this? What am I looking at? 737 on a go-around. Huh. Boy, did I call that one wrong. Alright, go-around number 1. Can we get a number 2 and a number 3? Stay tuned and find out next. Whether or not it will actually make it remains to be seen, but this is a first since maybe February. First arrival we've seen on runway 28. Oh yeah, here comes the precip. Big time precip. Go around 767, go around. Come on, go around. Go around. Go around. Holy fire. Looks like it might make it. Or man, look at that brown color. That is Sahara dust, baby. Oh my god, it's nasty looking. It makes the storms look a lot worse than they really are. This one hasn't even given me a single lightning bolt. But I will not complain. At least I'm getting some weather. Airfront 688, as much as it hates runway 28, appears to have found a home there. Wow. Wow. Oh, go around. No. It's throttled up and throttled right back down. What happened here? It's an aborted takeoff.
Delta 1109 needs to come off the runway. Hydraulics.
1109, roger. Left turn here. Just hold in the run-up pad. Let me know what you need.
1109, roger.
That was close.
Southwest 364, give way to the Airbus. That's the turn off there.
Yep.
Hydraulics.
Copy. Copy. 333, ILS 26 right.
American 333, Atlanta Tower, wind 32013, runway 26 right, clear to land.
26 right, clear land, American 333.
Hey fellas. Delta 8821 out of Killeen, Texas is the first 767-400 I have captured since the pandemic began. Delta is slowly bringing them back out of storage where they languished away in Birmingham, I think. I think that's where the 764s went, or at least some of them. I know that's where the breast cancer went and the Sky Team livery. Now this is nothing that exciting, just a regular 764, but at least it doesn't have a cheap stamp. And it's a charter, 8821, what we presume to be a military charter. Here it comes, you can hear the engine screaming, hello! Captain and First Officer, what's up with your belly? Do you have a Delta belly? Do you have one? Yeah, there it is, Delta belly, Delta belly, Delta belly, yeah! Oh, 764! Yeah! Radar to real life reconciliation for the 4th of July! You can see we are bracketed by two cells. This one is the stronger of the two to our west. This one to our east is the weaker of the two. Flight radar to real life reconciliation. Just, is there a Reginald trying to get in on the north side? Oh, there is. Let's see how this works out. It says go around potential. It's going to be a waste. Let's see. Waste. The Reginald went around! Yes! I just couldn't see it because it was behind all of the other obstructions, but the Reginald went around.
Wind shear alert, are not lost over the runway. The runway wind 340 at 8. But you heard the previous Sporting Southwest report?
We did. Thank you for the report, though. 806. 2626, repeat the report from Southwest.
Southwest said everything was fine. They just wanted a little bit further right than a 100 heading for deviation, but we're still showing the wind shear alert 20 not lost at the runway, and a go around on the north side going southbound. So we're just going to wait here for a minute. So do you want to hold till it dissipates?
We're ready to take off under flight 806.
What?
Okay, Frontier 806, and 9 left, line up and wait.
Line up and wait, under flight 806, 9 left.
Frontier's gonna try it, in spite of wind shear. Yeah, you can see it as it comes across the south side there.
Frontier 806, turn right heading 100, and 9 left, clear to take off.
Right 100, 9 left, clear to take off, Frontier flight 806.
So 2624, what about you? I'm still showing 9 left departure, wind shear alert, 20 not lost at the runway, wind 350 at 8.
Okay, so Hometown Airline has decided to wait it out while Frontier wants to experience the wind shear. Oh, getting up quick. Oh my God, look at that. That rain is right there. Wow. Oh, Americans going to timeout. Going to timeout. Gonna go sit still because the weather won't let you leave. We got a shower here. We got a shower there. We got storms all over the field. We like it very much, and so you will sit in timeout. Hometown Airline is trying to execute its 4th of July push, but hasn't been able to do so as rapidly as it would have liked. All Hometown Airline all the time, it's hard to differentiate between the sound of thunder and the sound of jet engines. Dynasty, whoa! Dynasty passing through the cell. All for us. Most dedicated, determined, and dependable cargo carrier that Hartsfield-Jackson Atlanta International Airport has ever seen. Dynasty, fantastic. Now achieving short final. You are almost done with your workday after a long flight from Anchorage. You've earned yourself some rest, so you better take advantage of those rest hours. Don't go running around here hoping for 4th of July events because all the fireworks have been canceled because all the dumbass kids and millennials forgot that there was still an epidemic going on and went running around and hugging each other and touching each other and all that kind of shit. And now we're in a spike. But don't mind me, Dynasty. I know Taiwan has its situation under control. A go around is all I could ask for. Wow, look at that. Backdrop. Nice. Finally a wide body score here. Touching down perfectly, as it usually does. Ah yes, Delta 9901 out of San Diego. Does 9901 mean you're a charter or a ferry or just some kind of special event? I guess that would be covered under charter or ferry.
7369 with you, pilot showing up 9 right.
IRLS CRM.
Wind is calm to land
Wind is calm. And we're with you. Thank God for the return of the United Continental has a new livery. They're taking off here today on Monday, the July 6th. Well, that song kind of lost its luster at the end, but I wanted to make sure it's the new United Continental. Actually, we can't even call it Continental now because of the new livery. There's 767 in from Salt Lake City on tripod. Listen, a human tripod. Let's see. She gave him a heading. 110 was it? Yep, see there's the bank. He's gonna bank away. And it's wheels up. Yes, wheels up. You heard me correctly, wheels up. The Uber of the skies. If you ever need private jet charter, you need to call Wheels Up. I don't have their email address handy, but I'm sure you can find it through the magic of the internet. Wheels Up. They carry VIPs such as Lee Corso and that other guy from College Game Day. Ladies and gentlemen, I apologize if the image is shaky. I am shaking with rage. You say, there's an A350 right there. What are you so pissed off about? Well, Air France, for the first time in Air France's life, is bringing us an A350, and we hope this becomes the new daily standard. It's chosen to go on the south side. See? South side. We all assumed north side, but it went south side after feigning a north side downwind. Ugh! God. Just walk over to it. Walk over to it. Oh, you son of a bitch. See, Air France now flies the A350. Now, is this a 900? I guess it is. I don't even care. I'm shaking with rage and I apologize. Hey, into the canopy though. That's neat. Look at all these departures. It's always at push time, isn't it? When the big black ominous summer thunderstorm comes rolling in. Oh my God, that is crazy looking. Only seen one lightning bolt out of it. That's a freaking, whatchamacallit, C-Series. C-Series.
What's the plan, Delta 911?
Sorry, I was
Right in the middle of the gust front.
supposed to be sequencing with the gas is outside and then heavy into the time rolling. You can see him on the end here in a moment. We'll be following him.
A C-Series, damn. You don't see these here too often. I'm sorry I'm botching the capture. C-Series as the gust front moves in. Recognized it at the last minute. Nice. We're taking cover. Let's take cover, Sam. The storm can't get us if we kneel next to this wall. That's a A321 Neo right there. I think the first Neo that's ever visited. My Mr. Time Lapse is up there. Oh my God, look at it hitting the tower now, dude. Jesus, dude. Oh, it's about to hit us. It's about to hit us. It's about to hit us. We gotta get low. Here it comes. Storm preparations. I gotta get my tripod down. Trials and tribulations of weather and aviation obsessions combined. Oh, who is coming in to land? That's an A330. If I face this way, the rain hits me in the back. Spares me of the wind splatter. Can we get it? Can we get it confidently? Focus on the A330. Focus on the A330. We're getting soaked and we know it. Bad. Come on, I'm trying to do something here. There we go. There we go. That's an A330. Cumulus backdrop. It's sunny back there. Pouring down rain all over my face. And now I'm getting on my phone, I think. I probably need to get the f*** out of here. Light chop. That's it. I'm soaking wet. Me, the guy behind the camera. Me, I'm soaking wet. Look at me. Damn, that southwester. Oh, holy shit. I just turned the camera off. Oh, yeah, that's a go around. 757 takeoff spray on behalf of Hometown Airlines. Yeah. United sitting in timeout. Gonna get up quick because we're off to Florida or something. Tennessee, Southwestern Tennessee. Oh yeah, I never see this one. Hell yeah. Nice, vape. I love your red color. Very distinct. Thrust reverse spray. Oh, United Continental sitting in timeout, bastard. Well, there it is. Finally, something to write home about. And by that, I mean the heavy jet. ABEX. Sperm wagon ABEX kicking up all sorts of sperm spray and takeoff spray. Beginning to see some holes in that cloud layer when we look to our south. But it's still extremely ominous. I'm sorry for the shakies. My tripod came out from under me or something like that. These usually get up quick. Let's hope we can catch it before it enters the obstructions. Yes, it does. I think there was a 300, a 763 maybe? Finally a heavy jet for us though. Well, this isn't a stroke of good luck. Spadebird 228. How are you doing, sir? Welcome to stormy and rainy Atlanta. Trying my best to give you a good British accent. Speedbird operates the 7879 Dreamliner. Any minute now will be cleared for takeoff. And there it is. There's the clearance. Speedbird off to London Heathrow. Very nice. About time we got something good. Takeoff spray is abundant. Watch out for sou'wester. Those eastern skies look dark. Oh Now really kicking up that takeoff spray. If we're lucky, we can catch some rotation spray. We need it to get up. The wing flex is in effect. Come on, get up, get busy, do it. Get up and move that speedbird body. Yeah! 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 And finally, what we came down here to get to begin with. Air France 689 Heavy Dreamliner, I'm sorry, A350, that's right, A350, that's right, A350! And here we go, yeah! Oh my God, the takeoff spray is ridiculous, look at that. Yeah! Ah, finally, we got what we needed. Still raining under some spooky looking skies, but Air France does not care. Air France means business. Whoa, a tri-hole's coming. Whoa, it's up quick, holy shit. Oh my God. Look at that. Look at that rotation spray. Air France, you have outdone yourself. Tri-holer, tri-holer, tri-holer. Yeah! Oh yeah, what a wonderful way to finish off a Monday. Mondays are awful. But this helps us as we carry on through the rest of the work week. The Germans and their cargo and their tri-hole rolling a lot longer than Air France in the A350. There it goes. Now it's getting up. Oh, wowzers. Look at that. Into this crazy colored sky. Wings shim along the way. All the way up into that overcast. Goodbye.
Central aircraft has weather information effective Sigma 93 Central and 95 Eastern data until 2355. More information on flight service frequency. Endeavor 4843 in about 2 miles. You should start seeing light to moderate precipitation for the rest of the way down on final. The only heavy precipitation I have is off the departure end.
4843. And just verify we are clear to land.
Delta 1400 RNAV impasse, runway 26 left, let's take off.
RNAV impasse. 26 left, clear for takeoff, Delta 1400.
Delta 2559 on London Tower, runway 26 left, line up and wait.
Runway 26 left, Delta 2559.
Delta 2559, RNAV Snuffy, runway 26 left, clear for takeoff.
RNAV Snuffy, clear for takeoff, 26 left, Delta 2559.
Delta 765 on London Tower, runway 26
Delta
left.
1436, I'm sure you can see it out the window there. It's moderate to heavy precipitation just north of the field. We received a wind shear alert indication on a 3-mile final for your runway, but nothing indicated over the field at this time.
All right, thank you. We're looking at it now.
Just let me know when you're ready. And you can expect a 230 heading left turn out to 230 on departure.
Yeah, we can accept that. We're ready to go.
Delta 1436, very good.
Delta 754 has a right.
Delta 754, it's a light chop.
Thanks, sir. JetBlue 720, previous departure report, light chop on the climb out. Flight heading 050, runway 8 right, clip takeoff.
050 heading, clip takeoff, runway 8 right, JetBlue 27.
Delta 796, line of tower, runway 8 right, line up wait.
Delta 796, line up and wait 8 right.
Airport 691 is on your ILS,